to introduce Leo Eco के तीन televisions जो अभी 4th August को announce हुए हैं. There are 3 models that have been announced. Max 365 जो 3D version है, X365 and X355. अब ये जो televisions देख रहे हैं वो X355 है और बहुत ही मेहनत की है हमने to get that perfect integration of hardware, software, design. अगर आप डिज़ाइन देखते हैं तो इनका बेस asymmetrical है. It's a complete aluminium solid base which gives it that visual delight. Visually जो appealing होता है users को, ये completely different है from the televisions जो आपको market में दिखते हैं. Not only that, from design, hardware wise the configuration है televisions में that's absolutely top notch. ये TVs के अंदर we get quad core CPU है, quad core GPU है. There's 3 gig of RAM, 16 gig of onboard memory. Speakers, there are multiple. We get 2.1 speaker support. We support Dolby Audio, DTS premium sound as well. और TVs में सिर्फ हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर की बात नहीं है. We also get EUI, which is ecosystem UI. और ecosystem UI, what does that allow you to do, right? अगर हमारा ecosystem UI basically content centric है. It gets the users the content that they know and love right on their big screen. और हम ये काफ़ी तरीके से करते हैं. एक है लाइव जो हमारी पार्टनरशिप है या टीवी के थ्रू that allows up to 9 simultaneous live television channel feed in your television. We also have LoVD जो आपके सारे premium blockbusters in terms of films or regional content जो लाता है. And overall we also have our own Loico store for applications. So we have the native browser, file manager. So all this, ये जो सारा content, hardware, software, ये सारे की seamless integration brings you that entire experience of television. In terms of pricing, X355 जो है वो 59,790 का है. X365 जो है वो 99,790 में है और Max 365 जो 3D variant है वो 149,790 में है. So the lowest variant 55 is 55 inches, then we have 65 inches, and we have the Max 3, which is a 3D variant. It's also 65 inches. We've also launched 2 phones couple of months or about a month and a half ago. तो लेटेस्ट वेरिएंट्स जो लॉन्च हुए हैं वो है Leo 2 जो हमारे Leo 1S और Leo 1S Eco के सक्सेसर हैं, which is 11,999. और we've also launched the flagship the Leo Max 2, L Max 2. और इसके 2 वेरिएंट्स हैं, एक 4GB और 4GB